Hi, it's Josh here. Welcome to Vintage to Muscle. Stay tuned for a video of the Overfinch Range Rover. We have been redefining the Overfinch since 1975. We are the original enhancement company aftermarket-wise for the luxury Range Rover. This is our Loire Blue exhibition vehicle. It's a 2019 extended wheelbase. As you can see externally, we have performed a wheel swap for the 23-inch Orca wheels, which is a diamond turned finish with yellow brake calipers. We have a carbon fibre side vent, carbon fibre side sills, in addition to this stunning interior, which is one of our new designs, new for 2019, Lumiere portfolio design with the hexagonal pattern. We've contrasted the ivory piping and ivory stitch on the navy leather. We are very, very pleased with this internal look. Transforms the cabin to something much more luxurious than you would find in the standard Rover. So this is a full carbon fibre piece, and it's hand-laid carbon fibre. We have engraved exhaust caps in a bright chrome finish. The metalwork featuring in the exhaust and the emblem is actually a handmade jewellery piece performed in the very famous Birmingham Jewellery Quarter in the UK. It's of a very high calibre and a very high quality. It's also worth noting that the whole Overfinch package is all designed and manufactured in the UK before being shipped across the US for assembly. Each vehicle is a one of one. There is a wealth of options with the Overfinch, and the personalisation when designing Overfinch is what makes it truly special. It's what makes a customer come back for a second, a third, a fourth and a fifth car. It's a driving experience unlike any other. It's not a factory car. It's not something you buy off the shelf at a Land Rover store. It's something that you've designed from start to finish, and that vehicle resembles your taste and your requirements. That's what is so special about Overfinch.